This video will be helpful for you for deploying Next.js application on AWS Amplify with .env wallet. Now, first of all, we have to go to the Amazon console. Here is the URL for me, and you can go your own AWS Amazon console and then search for AWS Amplify. Here you will get the AWS Amplify and go to there. Since already I have deployed one website, let's go for the next one and select host web app. Since if you select one of the provider you are using, in case I am using GitHub. Remember, you have to connect your GitHub account. For example, here is for demo, I can tell you here, and you will select the organization you are using for deployment. I am using Cable Systems, so I am deploying Cable Systems. So now after you connect your GitHub account to Amplify, you will have to remember that you need to have admin privilege of that repository. You need to have admin privileges for that repository to work with. Here now click I want to deploy this website. On this website now you have many branches. For example, you can have main branch or any other branch, so depend upon which branch you want to deploy, you can select. For example, I want to deploy on main branch and then connect monorepo. And click on the next button. Now since it will AWS Amplify automatically detect if you have a Next.js project, and when Next.js project, it will show you some basic template for Docker type template. This is a basic Docker template for AWS Amplify. Now if you have a env wallet, so basically you have to go to advanced settings and remember you will have .env these files. You must have env wallet file in env.wallet file in your root directory of the project, and then you have to press npx env wallet login to login and get .env value. Now after getting the .env value, env copy this variable stored in .env.me and put your value here. After putting the value, remember to edit this and do this and add this npm install, as well as install npx .env wallet pull. In case of development, development variables, you can put development environment variables, and in case of other case of production, you can put production variable, and for example production, you can say production and save this. Now after saving this, after putting these values, just click on the next and your deployment will be start. Since I already deployed the website, so I will not deploy again. And after deployment, you will see your website deploy. The website deployment will be like, first this step will be completed, then this step, and then website will be deployed, and you can see your live website. Here is a Amplify website for Tablet sites. So hopefully this tutorial will be helpful for you for deploying websites. very